This is the unboxing video of the Magic Bullet blender, mixer and mini food processor in one, which is a 17-piece set that we brought from Amazon. Let's see what do we have. Okay, first we have a product registration card, an instruction manual, these are the jar lids. This is the jar. This is another jar. Okay, this is a cup. This is the main motor base. So there are a total of 4 cups. We can make a smoothie in this cup and then put a lid over it and take it along with us during travel. We have 2 instruction manuals, one in French and one in English. We have one motor base, so this is the motor base. Then we have this tall cup. Then we have the stainless steel cross plate. Then we have a short cup, so this is the short cup. We have another blade. This is the second type of blade that we have. Now let's fit the components together. So this is the blade and we'll fit it on the tall cup. Now let's fit it on the motor base. Pulse mode. Then we can even lock this up for continuous operation. So now let's test the Magic Bullet by making a blueberry smoothie.